Welcome back for previous year questions analysis. Hope you're practicing more questions. Solving previous year questions helps you to follow syllabus and pattern more accurate. Today let's see two concept-based questions on Indian Constitution. Which one of the following statements best reflects the chief purpose of the Constitution of a country? A. It determines the objective for the making of necessary laws. B. It enables the creation of political offices and a government. C. It defines and limits the powers of government. D. It secures social justice, social equality and social security. Answer is C. The chief objective of the Constitution is to establish a limited government, that is a government which does not have the right to encroach in all spheres of a citizen's life. Let's see another important question. In essence, what does due process of law means? A. The principle of natural justice. B. The procedure established by law. C. Fair application of law. D. Equality before law. Answer is A. Due process refers to just, rational, fair, and fair treatment under the regular judicial process. It essentially means due process of law needs the legislation to follow the principle of natural justice. The principle of due process of law was originally adopted by the American Constitution. Its founding fathers stated that the United States Constitution guarantees that the government cannot take away a person's basic rights to life, liberty or property without due process of law. For the purpose of safeguarding these rights, the Constitution of United States provided power to judiciary to look into fairness of law. In India, the adoption of the principle of due process of law was adopted in the Maneka Gandhi case. Keep practicing more previous year questions. Thank you.